Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, I will use Google Colab to demonstrate that how we can access files from Google Drive in Google Colab and how to create the Python files, how to write programs in the file, how to make changes in existing files, and how to save back the changes in the Google Drive again. And we will do all these works using commands like these commands. So for that thing we will go to Google Drive, and you can right click here in the blank space, and you will go to more and you will get Google Colab. And if you have not pre-installed, then you have to go connect more apps, then you have to search for Colab and you will get Collaboratory and you have to install it. Now you will get these options. You can change the name of this notebook. Now I have written all the commands here, so I will run this notebook. So to access all the files and all the documents in the Google Drive, I have to mount my drive. Shift enter, and now we have to write this code, drive.mount and then content, and here this thing you can write any name. Again run, shift enter, then it will ask to authenticate your Google account. Click on it, click on your account, allow it, copy the authentication code and paste here and enter. Now our drive is mounted here. Click it, my drive, my document, and these notebooks I have here. So my drive is mounted, and I will check my present working directory. So now we are currently in content. I have to go from content to my document. You can copy the path of this my document by this, and you can paste here. Run this, and my present working directory is my document. I can go back 3 steps. I can go again to my document. Now to create a file, I am using touch command, and my file name is my file. Run this, shift enter, and my Python file is created, and you can see here that my file.py is created, and you can check here also my file.py is created. To remove this file, you can run this thing, but before removing, we are going to write something in the file. So double click and type something here. Save it, Ctrl S. You can close it. To run, use Python, then file name, shift enter. Hello world is there, and you have to enter your name, binary study. Enter. Your name is binary study. Now you can delete your file, Python file, using rm file name, and now my file is deleted. See, refresh it, and you will see my file is deleted. You can check here also in document, my file is deleted. Now to make directory, you can use mkdir. I am using my work as directory, and you will see this folder my work is created. You can check here also my work is created. You can go inside my work using cd my work. Now I am inside my work. To remove a directory, you can use rm -d and directory name. Run it. Okay, I am inside my directory, so I cannot delete. To delete my work, I have to go outside this directory. So one step back. Now I am in my document. Now I can delete it. So here my work folder is deleted, and you can check here, this is deleted, and from here also my work is deleted. You can use rmdir to delete folder or directory. Hope you enjoyed this video. In the next video, I will show how to access GitHub directly from Google Colab. In this video, I will show how to run most of the Git commands like add, commit, status, push in Google Colab. So please subscribe this YouTube channel so that you can be notified all the new videos, and please like this video and share this video among your friends.